Authentic Birote Salado. A delicious Mexican pan dulce y salado, breads, recipe. This recipe serves 8 large loaves. Preparation takes about 18 to 24 hours, includes fermentation. And cooking takes around 25 to 30 minutes. Here is what you'll need. A half cup high-protein bread flour, 1/3 cup warm water, 1/8 teaspoon active dry yeast, 4 cups high-protein bread flour, 1 1/4 cups warm water, 1 tablespoon sea salt, 1 teaspoon granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon active dry yeast, 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons beer. Step 1. Prepare the masa madre starter the night before. Mix the starter ingredients in a small ball until smooth. Cover with plastic wrap and let it sit at room temperature for 12 to 16 hours until bubbly and fragrant. Step 2. In a large mixing bowl or the ball of a stand mixer, whisk together the bread flour, salt, sugar, and active dry yeast for the main dough. Step 3. Add the prepared masa madre, the room temperature water, and the beer to the dry ingredients. If using a mixer, use the dough hook attachment on low speed. Step 4. Knead the dough for about 10 to 12 minutes by machine or 15 minutes by hand. The dough should be slightly stiff and elastic, but not sticky. It needs a strong gluten structure to achieve the signature crunch. Step 5. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm, draft-free spot for 2 hours or until doubled in size. Step 6. Punch the dough down gently to release air. Divide the dough into 8 equal portions, roughly 120-130 g each. Step 7. Shape each portion into a ball, then roll it into a spindle shape, thick in the middle and tapered at the ends. Use the edge of your hands to create the characteristic shoulders of the birote. Step 8. Place the shaped loaves on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Cover loosely and let rise for another 45 to 60 minutes. Step 9. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Place an empty broiler pan or cast iron skillet on the bottom rack of the oven while it preheats. Step 10. Using a very sharp lame or razor blade, make a deep longitudinal slit down the center of each loaf. This allows the bread to expand properly. Step 11. Whisk the egg white with a splash of water and brush it lightly over the loaves. This helps create the shiny, hard crust. Step 12. Carefully pour the boiling water into the hot pan at the bottom of the oven, watch out for the steam, and immediately slide the baking sheet with the bread onto the middle rack. Step 13. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Halfway through, you can spray the oven walls with a little water to increase the steam. Step 14. The birote is done when the crust is a deep golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped on the bottom. Step 15. Transfer to a wire rack and let cool completely before slicing. This is crucial for the internal crumb to set. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.